Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. Do you know that Phantom Wallet has given out more airdrops this year than all the tap projects that have been launching on Telegram? Yes, Phantom Wallet has been rewarding their users, and all you have to do is to use the Phantom Wallet actively. Right now, you can actually create a username on Phantom. Alright, you can create a username on Phantom and then get positioned for their airdrops that might be coming up. Another reason why you should take this very seriously is that Phantom does not have their own token. Alright, just like Trust Wallet have their token, Phantom does not have their own native token, and whenever they decide to launch their native token, trust me, it is going to be one of the biggest airdrops we have seen on the cryptocurrency space, because without even having their own token, they have been consistently giving people free airdrops from when to Pengu. All right, so if you miss those ones, do not miss this particular one. This is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to create your Phantom username and position for their airdrops. Okay, now make sure you download the Phantom app from Play Store, and if you have it already, make sure you update the application to the latest version. All right, once you do that, you are going to see this create your @username, a unique identity for your wallet. Okay, it is free to create. All right, it is free to create and it is important. So I'm going to click on create your @username. Okay, @username. Create username, a unique identity as unique as your wallet. All right, this is something that for example, the first username that got attached to wallet is through ENS, Ethereum Name Service, and those ones are not even free. So this one that is free, you don't have to miss it. All right, so I'm going to click on continue and create username, your unique name for your Phantom wallet at whatever name you decide. So let me choose my name at crypto catch. Create username not available. Someone has taken this already. Let me check again. Username not available. What? Wonderful. Username must be between which username do I use now? The crypto catch. Okay, so here I have gotten the username at the crypto catch. Just choose a username. If your username is not available, it's going to tell you that it is not available. So make sure you get a good username. You can try any username of your choice, any popular username. Also know that sometimes you can actually choose a username and somebody might want to buy it from you later. So there's something called username flipping. You can buy and sell usernames. So try out any popular name that of your choice that you might want to secure. Once you get it and someone needs it later, you can decide to sell it to the person and make a good amount out of it. All right. So now that I have gotten a username, I'm going to click on continue. Emojis. Okay, I'm going to upload a picture. I can upload a picture if I want to. Okay. So let me choose collectibles for now. Later on, I can add any other name that I want. Okay. So save this. Anonymous authentication. Sign into your Phantom account anonymously with a signature. So I'll just continue on this. I'll click on continue. Now, for those of you that have different accounts, different wallets in your Phantom, you can decide to link this your username that you have chosen to different wallets. All right, but I don't want to choose. I want to have different usernames for each of my wallets, so that in case if there's an airdrop, I might be able to qualify with different wallets. So I will only link this my username to one of my wallets, and then other wallets I will create different username. But if I choose like 2 or 3 usernames or 3 wallets here, that my single username will be linked to all of these accounts. Okay, will be linked to all of these wallets. So I'm just going to leave it to only this wallet that I am creating the username on. Okay, so I'm only using it so I am only using it on this my normal wallet, which is the wallet I use for airdrops. So once I'm here now, I'll click on create username. All right, I'll click on my create username. My username is getting created now. Just give it time. And guys, this is it. My username has been created successfully. You can now use your username in all of your Phantom wallets. All right. So the Phantom wallet I link to it is what I can use this username for. So I will click on done. And this is done now. You can see at the top of my screen here, you can see my username at the crypto catch, which is linked to this my wallet. Okay. And this, ladies and gentlemen, my username has been created successfully. You can see it at the top of my screen here. So my username is linked to this my wallet. Okay. Now there are other things that you can do. So from the profile here, you can click on view profile to see your profile, how many followers you have. So I'll click on view profile. Then from here, you can decide to edit your profile. All right. Let me see. Username is not editable. You can't edit usernames. All right. And you can see from here, you can add your bio. And then you can see linked wallets. You can add more wallets to it if you want to. You can see other of my wallets, but only one wallet is linked to it. Like I've said, I will also use other wallets to create other profiles, so that maybe in case I want to qualify for airdrops, you can qualify with multiple wallets. All right. So instead of linking all my wallets to one, I will create different other wallets. Okay. So when you are done with your registration, you can actually follow other users, your friends. All right. So what I'm going to do is that once you are done, use the search icon at the top right corner here, search for my name and follow me. All right. Just search for at the crypto catch. So once you search for my name, you're going to see my profile here under users. Click on it and click on follow. All right. You're going to see a follow button, follow, and then I will follow back. Also drop your username in the comment section. Another important thing you need to do is that whenever you want to swap a token on Solana wallet, whenever you want to swap a token on Solana wallet, come to your Phantom and use this swap button here. All right. Come to your Phantom and use this swap button. Okay. Anytime, as much time as you use this swap button on Phantom Wallet, the more your chances of qualifying for an airdrop. All right. So every time you use this swap here, the more you qualify for airdrop. Also, you can use this buy button to buy tokens. Any token you want to buy and it is on Solana Wallet, come to your Phantom wallet and use this buy button. Okay. So all those people you see that are qualifying for Phantom wallet airdrops, this is what they do. Basically, they use their Phantom to swap, they use their Phantom to buy tokens, and they use their Phantom to send tokens. Okay. So keep doing this. Over time, you accumulate more volume and you also qualify for more airdrops. Okay. Now, do not forget to follow my channel, subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to create your wallet. Follow me on Phantom and I will follow you right back. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, bye for now.